As-salatu was-salam ala Rasulillah. Hello brothers, sisters. In today's lesson I would like to show you some other techniques and some of the things and how we can export this model to Lumion and render it there. As you see, I created this one before, but I want to delete it for now. You see, I will delete this one and I will make another decoration around the building. And I'm going to use sweep, and maybe if I use for here for this window some balcony is better, and it will be nicer. So I will do these two steps, and after that I will show some of the techniques, and after that I will export this model to Lumion, and we will render and add some features there, and after that we can render it there. So the first one, what I'm going to do, I want to make decoration is around this slab, and for this we can go to component and model in place, and of course after that generic model, any kind of name, you can choose whatever you want. Let's say EP decoration, which is engineer Pshtewan decoration. Okay, just click OK, and after that I'm going to use sweep for that. And the first of all, I want to sketch the path, and for the sketch I want to use this path. As you see here, the path is here, as you see, because the UCS is here, no problem. So I can choose whatever path I want. Let's say up to this point. Okay, after that what I'm going to do, I'm just going to finish, and for the sketch path, edit profile, and let's go to south elevation, or maybe west elevation. Yeah, here I think is good, and this is the point. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use or make a decoration here, so I can put from here, let's say we have 400, okay, and maybe 400, let's say 100 after that, and maybe if we are going to use some arc like this, and after that make a line. You can just select whatever decoration you want. Again, maybe arc is better, and after that let's say again arc, just like this, and after that just we can finish it. So we have this profile, and just click finish, and finish again, and we see we after that go to 3, so finish this one. We have this decoration, as you see. If we want, we can modify the sketch, no problem. So I think now is good, it's not bad, but anyhow we can change it, no problem. After that, what I'm going to do, before I finish the model, you see, I can finish the model, but I want to put another material for that, because I have to put some different material. So in the Lumion, when I export it to Lumion, so it reads as a different material. So what I'm going to use, whatever material, no problem. Let's say we have this kind of structure layer. Anyhow, finish it. After that, we can finish this one. Okay. Again, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put another material for this one, a separate material, so later I could make this water, or let me go to the edit in place, and I want to create another extrusion for this one. Okay, and or maybe I can copy this one, copy it, and we can just paste to, sorry, I want to delete this one. I want to just I want to copy this one, the bin, if its foundation. So copy it and paste it from somewhere like this. Okay, so it will be this will be the level of the water. Okay, I can edit extrusion for this because I want to bring it inside a little bit, as you see here, to bring it inside, and it should be aligned with this point, this line. Okay, so align this to that, or maybe I can choose it like this. Again for this one, it should, it's not important to be exactly like this, but just for something like this, just for cover in the inside of this water pool. After that, you go to material, from the material, and go to put another material. I don't know, maybe this one. Okay, just gotta finish. We did this one, and we said that we want to put something here. So go to level 2. I think level 2 is good for this one, or we are working on level 2. And after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go to architectural and go to floor, or also I can use another thing with, for example, roof, but I think floor is good, and rectangle like this. Let's see, we have something like this here, and after that I can arrange the distance. Let's see, this is 750, this one also 750, let's say. So we have one. Okay, and after that I can copy this one. Sorry, I can copy this one and paste it. You see, up to this point, and now I can use annotate for just to know. I think 750 is just like that side, or maybe this side is 100. Anyhow, just to center for this, let me look at of the yeah, from this side. By the way, you see, is the floor generic is just like this. I can put another one, and I can go to edit type and duplicate this one. Let's this one. Okay, so just click OK, and about the material, we can we can go to edit, and here I want to choose another one. Let's say this one. Okay, so okay, after that again I want to change this one to not this one. It's number 3, generic number 3, which is just like this one. Can I offset? If I want, I can offset this one. Let's say by 200. Don't know if it's work with for us. Yeah, I think it's 200 is good, and it will be better for us. And again, go back to level 2. I can put some railing. By the way, I can put some railing, but also I can bring the railing my own. Okay, again I can put another railing by picking lines and just click OK. go to 3D. It's just like this. I think it needs some modification. Base offset, let's say 200. It's just like before. Again for this one 200, because we offset it the floor by 200, so we should offset this one also by 200. And if we want, we can edit path for this one and go to top view, or maybe level 2 is better. So what I'm doing, I'm just offset a little bit the lines and finish it. For this one also the same procedure, edit path, and finish, yes. And if we go to 3D view, we see this is good, but as you see here, I think the railing height is too much, so I can just go to edit type, and from the height I can say 800 maybe instead of 110, and I think now is better. Yeah, I think it's good now. Also we can put some decoration for this one also if we want, otherwise we can leave it as it is. Or maybe I can do it with this one with an arc. Anyhow, we can do as many as things that we want. I think now is good. By the way, I can put another. Let me put another floor here for this round. Let's go to to 3D view and the top view, and maybe I can put something here like a fountain. Architectural component model in place, generic model, okay, and by extrusion I think it's good, but by picking lines, some lines just like this, and finish it. We see here we have the base extrusion. I think we have -40, -400, sorry. Yeah, I think it's good, and maybe the height is 150. Anyhow, no problem. Well, let's say 0. Just finished. Okay, it's just like this. Again, we have to put different material, so we don't face any problem there in Lumion. For this time, let's say this one. Anyhow, just finish it. And I think everything now is okay, and we made everything, even this decoration. If we want, I think if I change it is better, maybe. I don't know. I think it's good. Okay, I can make it larger, and just go to edit type and select this one and go to edit sweep, and after that select this one and go to edit profile, go to left side. You see we can do something with this one. I can delete it. I will delete this profile, no problem, and I will make it, this was 400. Let's say we want to make 600 for this, and we want to make maybe this one also 600, and after that 200 for down, and maybe if we make something like this is better. Okay, after that I want to make a line maybe by 100. After that another curve, and let's say we have another curve, or maybe another line. Maybe this line needs some modification, and after that let's see, we have another line, so it's not to be near this decoration. Anyhow, we see maybe it needs some modification, so we will do. Anyhow, so it's up to you. Just cancel it. Okay, just finish it and finish again and go to 3D, look at from in the 3D view, and we see just finish model. I think now is good, and we have our decoration. Anyhow, so let's export this one to Lumion and put materials there. First of all, I have this extension. I downloaded this extension so you can export from the Rivet to Lumion directly, and you have live sync, so you can if you have any change from Rivet, it will go to the Lumion. Anyhow, so just click here, export for Lumion. We will say the smoothing is high and export nodes. Just click export, and where I'm going to name it, I'm going to name it as a classic villa course. So I'll save it in this name. I have this file before, so that's why I'm overwriting this, and now as you see here, it's exporting the file, and now I can bring it into Lumion. So everything is finished. So as you see here, we open the Lumion program, so I can put here, whatever I want. I want to put here, for example, let's say, and I will open this template, and the first of all I will import my model here. Just click import, and this one is our file. Just by double click, and it will, as here we have this one, no problem. Just you can just put change the name here and just click OK. By the way, my computer is not a powerful computer, so as you saw before, it's too slow for this one, and just click one time and escape. Okay, so I want to bring one time. As you see, I lost before everything. Let me show you something. As you see, I had my the road and my the garden. I lost the garden. I lost the road. Why? Because of the level. They are at below the ground level. So I have ground level this one. So I will bring back my ground level, or I will move up this model just by select this one, and by moving up, as you see here, I can just move up a little bit so it can show me whole structure that I have. Yeah, it's just like this. Anyhow, after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some materials for this one. And the first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the second one. This is the materials. Of course, I can put the features, the scar, or any other things. I will put it, no problem. Okay, but let me first put the materials for this one. After that, I will go back to that. After selecting the material, I have to select one by one. You see, I have to select one by one. When I select anything, it will open up the material, and I can go to as here I have indoor, outdoor. I have outdoor for this one because I want to this one be asphalt, so I'll choose asphalt for this one. Let's say this type of asphalt, and I think is good. Anyhow, after that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this one again, go to outdoor, maybe this time nature, and I will go to with 3D grass, and I will put this one. As you see here, I have 3D grass on this surface. Now I have 3D grass. That is good. Again, for this one I'm going to for this one also I'm going to with nature 3D grass, and I'll put maybe this kind of grass. As you see now, we can see the grass. By the way, you can use right and left arrow key, and with also W and ASD on keyboard. Okay, these letters. That's good. After that, I'll use this one. Go to nature. Sorry, not nature. From the custom. Here we have this. We can use this one, water. Okay, we can use these materials for this one. Again, we can use from here. We can put our water. So it's up to you. You can use whatever you want. Okay. After that, we used this one. Again, I want to change the material for this here. For this one I want to put some marble, so just by clicking here. By the way, why I used this, I'll go back to that one. Why I use this extension, why I use this extension, because I will not lose any material. Okay, as you see, I didn't lose the material, and the material is as you see here. This is the material from the Rivet. So you can just click it, and again go to outdoor. This maybe indoor. As you see here, the stone, and you can use whatever marble that you prefer. Maybe this one, whatever you prefer. Okay, so again you can go to the second page and choose from the second page if you want. Anyhow, after that I will use the glasses. As you see, all the glass layers, you see all the glass layers. I will use the glasses, and I will go to with here we have glass here. I can put my own, or I can go back and from outdoor here I can use these glass types. Okay, this predefined glass parameters you can use if you want. As here, this is the kind of sandblasted. I think you can use whatever you prefer. Okay, that's good. And for this one, for this decoration, what I'm going to use color paint. So I will use this one, and as here, just select this one and go to with color and paint it with white. Again for this one, paint, so color, sorry, first color and paint it with white. Again I have some kind of decorations here. I can go forward by pressing W key on keyboard, and also we have this this decoration, this one, and go to with color. Also, let's see, we have white color, and I think it remain for the roof. As I said, my computer is not too powerful. Okay, just select this slab, this roof, and put another material, yeah, roof tiling, and after that go to I don't know, not favorite, yeah, sorry, go to output, roofing, and you can use what kind of roof you want, maybe this one. You see, you can choose whatever you want. Anyhow, I think now we finished all the materials, and we can click OK. So what remain, as you see guys, I didn't bring any kind of tree, any kind of things, so I have to put some tree, and I have to put some car here, because this here is a villa. By the way, I can put car shade or make a car shade here to go to this, but I'm not an architect, so I'm not working on landscape and things like this. But I want to show I want to show you the techniques. As you go to objects, after that we can put some nature trees. Go to nature tab, and we will see. Sorry, click here, click place, and from the nature tab we can put what kind of tree we want. Let's say we want to this one. We can put by one point, as here as a one piece. It's just like this, or we can use line for this. Let me make some. Let me choose this one from this type. There are many types of trees. Okay, let me use this one and go with this line. So I will put this in a line, so it covers all the trees. As you see the number of items, I can increase it here, as you see, just like this. Again, maybe from this, maybe this short type. Let me find a suitable tree. There are many types of trees, flowers and leaves that we can use. As you see, this is the grass. If we want to put some grasses here, we can put this is plants. By the way, we can use for this one, we can use more than one type. Let me finish first. We can use more than one type of tree. Okay, so let me use this one again with a line. Maybe this one, if we put some of this from this point to this point to, as you see, number of items, we can decrease number of items. As you see now, there are two types of tree. We can just remove this one, it will remain only this type, and again we can add another type for this one. As you see, add another one, and maybe using any others. It's up to you. So my computer is slowed down, so I don't want to lose time for this. Just click finish, and you can put whatever trees and colors, trees and leaves that you want. Anyhow, let me put I think if I put this big tree here is better. So what I'm going to do, just click for this one. I want to delete this one, sorry, I want to delete this one, close it. I want to select, sorry, not to place, I want to select. I choose this one, so I have to go back to the build, and I want to select these three and delete it. Okay, after that I will go to place, go back to place, and I don't know if I could put this big tree here. But as you see, I have to escape because I use this one, so I would want to just click on the single placement. So I'll put a single placement for this one. After that I can select this one and select this one, and you see I can just green selection range. I can change some of the parameters that we have. We have to place on ground if we want. We can put anyhow. Let us see, this is good for us. I think it's not. Anyhow, no problem. I'll delete this one because it's too big. I will put another tree, or let's say for some decoration tree. We can increase the or we can set the height, but let's see this one. Anyhow, after that we discussed about this one. Also from the objects, I want to put bring a car here and put a car here. From the objects here, from cars, and I want to put this car. After that I want to select this one and rotate it. Okay, just select this one and rotate. Just select and rotate this one to the direction that you want. And as you see the color, we can just go to here and bring up this one and put whatever color we want. Okay, let's see this color. After that we can put some people here. Of course we have to go to place, so we can place people. So we put one here, one person here, and maybe another person. We have many person. We have girl, child, male, female, horses, dogs. We have many. It's just like this. as you see, yeah, 2%. They are the same, so I'll delete one, and I'll bring another one, maybe this one. Don't know why it's the old selection. As you see here, this woman walking and this one is standing. It's selected this one, and to delete this one, that okay. After that, what I'm going to do, I can rotate this one to the direction that we want, so we can bring it to that point. Okay, anyhow, and there are two, just the balcony remain, so I will go back to material and put a material for this balcony again with paint and the same color as the rest. Just finish after that. From here, from landscape, we can put water. If we have water, we can put some lower parts, higher parts, hills, landscape, grass. You see, we can do as many as we want things, but because my computer is not too powerful, so that's why I have to leave some features for you. After that, go to the weather. As you see, the sun in direction, we can change the sun direction to something like this, so the sun comes out from this direction. And after that, the time, as you see, the time, we can just go to with night time and daytime. As you see, I think now it's good. After that, we can bring the sun and the sky and clouds. As you see, the clouds. After we finish everything, what we go to do, we have to go to photo, and we want to render the photo. As you see, first of all, I will I'll choose the or I'll choose some angles of camera, so I can put some pictures, or before I can also I can add a custom style, so which is I can put realistic. There are many great features in Lumion, but unfortunately I cannot use everything, because as I said before, my computer is low down, so I cannot make everything in Lumion. But you can search for it on YouTube and or on Google, so you can find good tutorials for that. As you see, I can see the camera level for something, let's say 2 meter. Or maybe 3 meter. And we see, can just zoom in. Let's say this is one of the pictures, so just click here. and for the second I will go to use maybe this one. So I'll put for this for the second one, and for the third one. By the way, I will go with photo, but I can also make a panorama and video also, movie. Okay. As you see, I can set my third camera, and I'll choose an angle. Anyhow, you can choose whatever you want, and this is the third one. After that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to render the pictures. Let's see, this one, render photo, and there's some sizes. As you see, the size is too big, and this one I'm going to use this one, okay, for print. And let's say F1 and save it. And it needs it depends on the computer. I think maybe from this one it takes about 10 minutes, and it will give us a good quality photo. And after that we will go with post-production photo in Photoshop. So this is for today. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much.